Hi there, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Now you might be wondering, what has this video got to do with wealth? However, in this video we're going to discuss why visceral fat is bad. Now there are two things in life that affect most people. One is our health, and the second is our finances or our wealth. Now you have to be a master of both if you want to survive in this world. For most people, they spend too much time chasing wealth and they neglect their health, and at the end of the day they pay a very costly price. So your health is very important, which is why I have devoted some of my videos to your health. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about why visceral fat is bad. Now, visceral fat is fat that you don't see. It is normally found beneath the abdomen surrounding internal organs. And because of this, it causes inflammation and vascular disease in most people. So you want to make sure that you address visceral fat. Most people just concentrate on the exterior instead of worrying about what's actually happening inside your body. So you can have someone who's very skinny, but they might have a high percentage of visceral fat, which is actually harmful to them. So visceral fat doesn't necessarily mean that it shows on the exterior. However, it's something that's actually building up inside you. Now, it's very important that you address this, because on the long run, if you don't address this, no matter how much money you're chasing, no matter how much you're hustling, if you don't take care of your health, then you will not be able to live to enjoy the fruits of your labor, which is why I'm making this video to address the fact that visceral fat is what you need to watch out for. Now, how do you burn visceral fat? So there are a few things that come into mind. Actually, there are 4 things on the top of my head. Number 1, you could try the keto diet, which I also tried the keto diet, which has to do with intermittent fasting in some cases, has to do with eating, high fat content, medium protein, and also a low carb diet. Now, I'm not here trying to tell you to try the keto diet, but this is one of the quickest ways for most people to get rid of visceral fat. However, maintaining the keto diet can be very difficult for most people, and as a result of that, most people quit after a while, because when you're talking about diets are very restrictive. Okay, I don't care what diet you're on, if it's keto, if it's whatever diet out there, the key is deprivation. So you're basically cutting down on certain things or cutting down on how much you're consuming, and that's a very tough thing for most people to maintain, which is why most people that go on diets eventually fail, and as a result of that, they actually gain more weight after the diet. Okay, so dieting, it's a recipe for disaster. It works for some people, but it doesn't for others, and as a result of that, which is why you have the diet industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. So you can just skip the diet situation. And I also have a very interesting information for you, which I'm going to leave the link down below, on an alternative way for you to live a healthier lifestyle instead of dieting. Okay, so make sure you check the link below this in the description below for a link that will take you to some very important information that you'll be blown away. Okay, number 2 is you can eat more soluble fibers. Okay, soluble fibers such as oats, barley, and beans, etc. Okay, so this also helps you when you eat a lot of soluble fiber. It helps you with dropping weight and fat. Okay, but something you have to keep in mind is as you increase your soluble fiber intake, you have to make sure that you increase your water intake, otherwise you're going to be constipated. So you want to make sure that you drink a lot of water in addition to eating your soluble fibers. So oats, barley, beans, etc. Okay, those are things that you can do. Number 3, you can eat more fruits, more nuts, more veggies, coffee, tea, etc. Those are equally good things that you can do to help you burn visceral fat and get you back in shape. And then number 4 is exercise. Okay, it always comes down to exercise. Everybody wants a quick way out, everybody wants quick solutions, but you have to do the work. You have to exercise. There's no magic pill out there. Okay, you still have to put in the time, you have to put in the effort to exercise. So what are some exercises that you can do? Well, you can do cardio. Okay, you can do weights. Okay, the more weights you do and you're building muscle, then your muscle actually consumes your body fat, okay, for energy. So doing cardio, doing weights, doing high intensity interval training, okay, will get you there. Taking supplements, okay, will also assist your body while you're getting your body back in shape. So like I said, I'm going to leave a link down below for some very special information. So make sure you click that link. It's going to have a very important information for you that will actually help you, live a healthier lifestyle, eating your favorite foods without depriving yourself of food. And you also have a support system that's going to help you out. Okay, so make sure you click the link below. It's going to be the first link in the description below that's going to help you learn more about how to live a healthier lifestyle instead of depriving yourself and going on this yo-yo diet. Okay, because at the end of the day, if you see most people that go on diets, they eventually gain all that weight back, because it all comes down to living a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about dieting. Okay, anybody can diet, but the point is most diets are not sustainable because it's very restrictive. Okay, you want to make sure that you enjoy your food. You have to have a great relationship with food, which is why the link below is going to show you how you can live with, still eat your favorite foods, lose the weight, stay in shape, and live a healthier life, which would translate to giving you more energy to be able to pursue your, anything that you want to do, and which also brings us to creating wealth. Because if you're not in the right state of mind, if you're not healthy, then you will not have the energy to, achieve your goals and also sustain your personal finance. Okay, so they're all intertwined, they're all connected. You want to make sure that you address your health. Okay, which is why I created this video, because visceral fat is the fat that you don't see, and that's what actually gets people in trouble. Okay, you can see the exterior of a person's body, but you can't see visceral fat because it's fat that surrounds your internal organs, and that's the dangerous fat you don't want to have. Okay, for most people it's around the midsection of their body. So you want to make sure that you get rid of visceral fat. So I hope you found value in my videos. Make sure you share this video with someone who's struggling with their weight, or who's struggling with, with staying healthy, or looking for solutions on how to get healthy and live a healthier lifestyle without depriving yourself, without starving yourself, and without going on yo-yo diets. Okay, I hope you found value in this video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button so YouTube can notify you of my latest video. So thank you again for being here, and as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And I'll catch you on my next video coming up shortly. Take care. Bye bye.